And the last final row, the 29 of Terrence Robinson, and outside of Terrence is the 11 of Josh Lundy. They come, Green flag, and we're racing.
And it's Johnny Robinson out front. Head of Rich Schinderling, Howie Ware right there on the outside.
It's Robinson, Ware, Schinderling, Robinson, Thiering, and Smith for your top 6. Cody Houseworth decided to get back out here and try it again. Hopefully he can get that car figured out. As we go around, 2 completed.
And there goes Cody in the wagon back to the inside. And he's going to find his way off the track. So it was just a quick appearance for the 21 car, Cody Houseworth.
I think he just wanted to show that there's more than just Monte Carlos out there in Luminous.
Got to show us the wagon is Johnny Robinson the second.
As all the Sportsman drivers choose the outside lane, as that inside is a little tricky, a little greasy tonight there. We'll see what happens when we get a battle. As Josh Thiering is looking to the inside of Rich Schinderling for 3rd place.
Johnny Robinson beginning to pull away from the pack. Howie Ware in that 2nd spot. Schinderling in 3rd, Thiering in 4th. Trevor Robinson in 5th. John Featherston in 6th, and Chad Smith in 7th.
In the back, you've got a battle between the 11 of Josh Lundy and Terrence Robinson. Terrence Robinson currently sitting 5th in the current point standings. He's going to have to get a move on it to keep pressure to make that championship run.
And there goes Terrence Robinson making a move on Josh Lundy in the 11. Oh, he got a little loose, but T-Rob did a good job of hanging it tight in turn 4.
As Johnny Robinson is pulling away from Howie Ware, the battle looks to be at 3rd place between Schinderling and Thiering and Robinson. But here comes Chad Smith on the inside of Featherston.
2nd in points, only 1 behind the 36 of Howie Ware. 82 continues to work on that 78 of Featherston. The 99 of Johnny Robinson rolling away Howie Ware in a cozy 2nd. And then there's a tight battle in 3rd. Thiering, Terrence, and Schinderling. And Thiering's going to make a move on the 68.
Thiering, Schinderling, side by side, coming around. Thiering wants 3rd. Schinderling wants to hang on to 3rd.
And Trevor Robinson's waiting for the 2 of them to bump so he can slide by.
In the back, you've got a battle between Memoli and Lundy.
Robinson's still rolling. Got a good gap on Howie Ware. Battle still in the 3rd spot. Schinderling holding on to it over Thiering.
And here comes the 99 of Trevor Robinson looking to the inside of Thiering. Thiering giving Schinderling a little push there that almost got ugly for Schinderling. As we are 10 laps to go.
Ever trying to use that low side in that 99 against Thiering. Schinderling still holding them off in the 3rd spot. Chad Smith made his move on Featherston, and off he rolls. Johnny Robinson got 2 wins already under the features. Trying to pick up his 3rd. Looking good so far, Howie Ware.
Featherston taking it into the pits.
78 off the track. Ware in 2nd, Schinderling, Thiering, and Trevor Robinson continue to battle it out for that 3rd spot. Rich Schinderling holding on. Currently 6th in the points, Schinderling.
As the laps count down, will Howie Ware be able to catch Johnny Robinson? I don't know. But I know that Trevor Robinson is still working on Josh Thiering, and Trevor Robinson got crazy loose coming out of turn 4.
And then he's back at it. Gonna try and run him down. Johnny Robinson trying to hold off. In a cozy spot. Howie Ware in second. Schinderling starting to make a little move on. Thiering in the 11. Trevor Robinson right there. Chad Smith in that 82 has done a good job of working his way up into that 6th spot for the 82. Robinson still in first. Ware there. Schinderling continuing to hold off in third, but getting a little more space. Thiering and Trevor Robinson are now the new battle for fourth. Can Thiering hold off Trevor? Don't forget about the machine. Chad Smith in that 82 has been working his way up this entire race. 1 to go. Johnny Robinson, Howie Ware, all single file. And taking the checker, it's going to be Johnny Robinson the second. Howie Ware will finish third. Rich Schinderling will pick up third. John Thiering will be fourth. And Trevor Robinson fifth. Chad Smith will fall into the 6th spot. Terrence Robinson will fall 7th.
Wow.
Kevin Memoli in 8th, and Josh Lundy bringing him up.
Johnny Robinson and Howie Ware, both of those guys very close in the point standings, and they were battling it out. As there's one of the other Robinsons to congratulate Johnny. Ladies and gentlemen, we got one happy camper in this driver, as he's been overdue for a feature win here at the Rockford Speedway. Sponsored by the Last Lap, the GG Club, Byron Auto Body, Ridge Runner Racing. On Pepsi Kids Night, as he's slowly getting out, I know he's got to be hot. Can't wait to have some water after he gets back in the pits. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up. It's Johnny Robinson the second. Johnny Robinson, congratulations. Definitely due for a feature win here at the Rockford Speedway, as Howie Ware just didn't have enough to catch you. It could have been a different story had there been a caution. I know you're happy that there wasn't one. Tell us what was going on. Looked like the car was running really good tonight for you.
Yeah, the car was great. I just kept looking in the mirror just to make sure I was keeping Howie at a safe distance. I ain't never going to let him, even though I had a big lead, I wasn't going to let up because I don't want anybody close to me at the end. But the car was great. I really didn't know how it was going to be going into the race because I've ran basically the trophy dash and the heat race on the bottom. But I don't know, just get out to lead and hold your line and keep it under control. You should be all right.
I heard it's somebody's mother's birthday. Is that all right?
Yeah, it's my mom's birthday.
Well, go ahead and tell her.
Happy birthday, Mom.
Johnny, do you have any sponsors or pit crew you'd like to thank?
Yeah, sponsors. Diane Parvin came on board this year. She's really helped a lot. The Last Lap, as usual, Ridge Runner Racing, Autumn Rodine with the RS Allstate, Pat Featherston with Byron Auto Body, my cousin Jimmy with Borderline Auto Sales, Frisch Signs, always making the car look good. Our little 99 Club, the few people that are on there. And then, of course, my brother Trevor, he always helps out a lot. And then my mom and dad, my wife, kids. But we can't do it without our brother Travis. He's the crew chief on all 3 cars, and he keeps these things fast and up front.
Outstanding. Johnny, the fans and I have a question. Ryan Finley did it. Steven Erickson Jr. did it. So the fans and I want to know, Johnny, would you take a jump in the pool tonight?
No, it's not that hot.
Let's try one more time. Fans, do you want to see Johnny get in the pool? All right, Johnny, what do you think?
No, that's all right.
We tried. Definitely, we tried. Wasn't hot enough.